Hello, everyone. So I have a new project. This is the website for a freelance client for Visions of Hope Psychological Services, LLC. So they got a new logo about a month or two ago. So now I have to do a rebranding of their website. Just for comparison, this is their original website. Their logo was like this little mountain scene. And I just scroll through real quick so you can see. I actually made this website, started making it, I want to say all the way back in September, maybe even August. So it's safe to say that I've learned how to do a lot of things between then and now. So I'm looking forward to rebranding it. And also, I wanted to just some more practice with React. So this is being built with React. And ideally, what I may do is once I do it in React, I may then transition over to Next.js just to practice with that too. Because ideally, that's like the best thing to use for a static site opposed to just regular React. But anyway, here's what I have so far. Subtle little hover. A lot of like the transitions, like there's no button hovers for the most part, just this. And a lot of these may not be final. I just kind of wanted to get an idea of where I wanted things to be on the page. But because her logo was pretty large, I decided to go with centering it at the top and then just go with the center navigation. I used the clip path property to get this little curve. And I figured there was no need to have a full page header. Just this little section is enough because that's really all the text that I have. Mission statement section. This is kind of similar to how I had it before. The difference is I think all of these were equal height, and I think this bar was on the left-hand side, but I just like the idea of centering them in like both vertically and horizontally, so they're not all equal. I think in the original site, the first quote was up here, but because of the curve, it would have looked really odd to have like such a harsh straight edge right above it. So I put the quote under here to kind of break it up. And then before I just had icons up here. So now I have images for her services. She only has 4 services. This whole image plus the text is a link. I'm probably going to change this. I'm probably going to keep it underlined just so that you know that you can click on it because it's not really apparent without the link. But I'm going to change the color at least. Again, I have to add a button hover. I use a pseudo element, by the way, to just make a giant quotation mark right here, just so I wouldn't just be just the text. It kind of breaks it up. And then I have the footer here. This is an address tag, so that's why it's italicized. I think what I'm going to do is make this so that the text isn't italicized, but I still want to keep it in an address tag just for semantic purposes, just to make it match the text here. And then her logo here again. I have not made it responsive yet, so that's what I'm going to do next. Then moving forward, I'll probably go with the mobile first approach because it's going to be a little hard to get this mobile responsive just the way that I have it so far. But yeah, that's what I have so far. Thanks for watching.